Today on DJT Reviews, we're going to unbox and review the Fatal Fury City of Wolves Deluxe Edition, Special Edition for the PS5. As you guys know, this is a SNK game. Fatal Fury came out about maybe 25 years ago for a system called Neo Geo. After they kind of fell off, from the arcades and the system, then SNK had been pretty much licensing out their games to other systems. So they had Fatal Fury 1, Fatal Fury 2. The SNK also made games like Art of Fighting, Samurai Showdown, King of Fighters, things like that, which were pretty good games for its time. Neo Geo was ahead of its time back then, but because of the price, a lot of people couldn't afford it. Just like the systems now is pretty much a no-brainer with $400 or $500 systems. Neo Geo was way above that about 25 years ago. But if you guys aren't subscribed or following the channel, make sure you do so now so you get alerts when we review video games, everyday items, gadgets, movies, you name it, on this channel. So as I said, Fatal Fury, City of Wolves. This is the deluxe edition. So first off, as you can see, it comes from the standard version. It comes in a special box here first. Comes in this black box. As you can see, Fatal Fury, City of Wolves on the front. It's rated T for teen. As we take it to look at the side, you can see right here. Then we look at the back right here. So this is the difference from the standard, it's the standard game case that you see. Pretty much right here, they're telling you what I just said. After 26 years, Fatal Fury returns as a new rev system is supercharged. So, looking at some of the videos before this drops, it definitely look like they made some upgrades to it. Definitely, I would say the HD graphics is one that I noticed, and just on the move sets. But we'll definitely go into it a little bit more. As you can see, you got some memorable fighters here from the first 3 games up here. You can burst into battle, classic battle, systems evolved, and you got a 2 controller scheme. But before we dive into the characters, let's dive into this right here. So as you can see right here, it pretty much tells you what's included in this deluxe version right here. So it says you have the Fatal Fury City of Wolves Special Edition. Right here, you got a steelbook. You got a original soundtrack right here with 2 discs. You have a sticker. You got 2 stickers up in here. You have a poster that's double-sided. You have an art book with 100 pages. And you have a season pass, and you get download content for Fatal Fury 2's Terry Bogard, which was the game that came out a while back. So as you can see, this is for 1 to 2 players. Have network features, and it's 2 to 12 players on the network. This game takes 43 gigs of space, so you definitely want to make sure you clear out some space. And it has the vibration rumble function, and you can also make purchases, in-game purchases on this. But as you can see, the ultra high definition, which back in the day it did not have any of these type of graphics, but it was still ahead of its time. So let's go ahead and get this plastic out so it quit looking so blurry here, so we can take a look and see what else is in this box. Okay, so we have everything out the box. Here's some of the extras right here. And as you can see off to the side, it's the game. But we get to some of the extras. This is what everyone wants to know. What do you get in these deluxe special editions of this game to see if it's really worth it? So you get this map. It looks like of the game. They pretty much let you know Southtown and Central City, Southtown Bay, and they just give you all these areas, which will probably end up being the stages that the fight stages right here. It comes out to a big poster, like so. You get the whole map of Second South, Southtown, East Island. You have all these areas that's marked with the stars in this poster right here. As we flip it over, you can see right here the relationship chart. It's what they call it, and they just pretty much have like all the fighters here, just to let you know. Like I said, the relationship, because the game is 26 years later, so they're basically, I guess kind of like what the family tree is up in here. So this is pretty much what this poster is right here. All right, fold that back up. And next, you have your Fatal Fury from the old games right here. You have Fatal Fury 1, Fatal Fury 2, Fatal Fury Special. Then you had the Fatal Fury 3, The Road to Final Victory. And then you had Real Bout Fatal Fury. So they have all these stickers from the previous games that were out previously. A lot of you guys probably don't remember that, but these were the stickers here for this game. Yep. And here's some more stickers. They give you, again, Real Bout, Fatal Fury Special, the Duke Coming, the Fatal Fury, Wild Ambition, Mark of Wolves, and the Fatal Fury City of Wolves. So you have all your stickers for what you need it for. Put these off to the side. Next, you have the art book right here, City of Wolves art book right here. So pretty much let you know, as you can see, very vibrant art here. The characters, Terry's key art. We go through it. Rock Howard, Terry Bogard was one of my favorites from the original game, along with his brother Andy Bogard. Right here, they give you the voice actor. This basically giving you every much of a breakdown of the character, the gear, stuff like that. Kim Dong Hwan, right here, let you know. You can see what he's Taekwondo. Cherishes the lady, so you pretty much know the characters when the game comes on. You pretty much know the personality of the character, just like any other fighting game. You just have all these attributes just to let you know what type of character it is right here. Pretty much. B. Janae, Kevin Ryan, right here. Cop. See, pretty much just give you that. One of the newer characters right here. Marco Rodriguez, right here. Preacher, right here. And they just pretty much give you the art of everyone that's pretty much on here. And as you can see from the back of the book, they give you a breakdown of how Terry Bogard looked from Fatal Fury 1 to Special, Fatal Fury 3, Real Bout, just the evolution of the character right here. More right here, just showing you how it evolved all the way to now. All right, so this is the art book right here. Now we have the steel case right here. So this is pretty much the steel case for Fatal Fury. Nice little artwork here. You can see on the back right here. And this is pretty much is going to have the soundtrack, as they stated. This will have the City of Wolves soundtrack in here, right up in here. And then you have the standard game. This is what the game would look like if you were to buy the game without a special edition. Like I said, this is definitely going to be a collector, so I'm going to hold on to this. Like I said, you have same thing we read on the back. Like I said, 26 years, classic battle. They just give you a little bit different here. As you can see, the difference is with the special, they give you a little bit more breakdown of the characters. Right here from the old ones, you have Terry Bogard, you have Mai, she was in the original ones. Then you even got Billy Kane, that was in one of the original ones right there. So the disc right here. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. As you can see, this is what you get. This is an early edition, so you get the download costume for Terry Bogard. Obviously, the code is on the back side of this. For obvious reasons, I won't turn it over, not right now. And this is what the game disc looks like right here. PS5 disc right here. Nothing on the inside too much right here. So, like I said, guys, this is the Fatal Fury Deluxe special edition unboxing. As we review this one more time, you can see we have the original game, and then we have the steelbook right here with the original soundtrack in here. You get the stickers of the game, throwback of all the stickers. Do what you like with them. Then you have the Fatal Fury City of Wolves art book, and then you also have this poster right here. So they do give you a lot, and then you get download content according to this right here. You get like I said, you get the Terry Bogard, you get a season 1 pass. You also get the 2 original soundtracks, stickers, poster, and the other games that come on in-game purchases that come with this. I'm hearing rumors that it might even be some Street Fighter crossovers, which will make it even more cool once we see these into the game, guys. So this is the Fatal Fury City of Wolves Deluxe Special Edition unboxing.